How to open Facebook links in external browser. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. If you're trying to open any Facebook links with external browser, then here's the settings that you can do. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, simply go and open up the Facebook application from your phone, and from the Facebook homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then simply go and tap on this three-dot line at the top left, and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go and tap on the settings from the list, and once you're here inside the settings and privacy, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and then go and tap on media. And inside the media, if you scroll down a little bit from here, you'll get to see the option open links in external browsers. Currently it's deselect, so you just need to select that and you're pretty much good to go. From now, whenever you click any Facebook links, this will automatically redirect to an external browser. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.